Friends, this is a video which teaches exercises to be done in the first week. You can say this is the first phase of exercise rehabilitation for any surgery around the knee or the leg. Okay, so the first exercise is lifting the buttocks. This exercise can be started as early as start doing the buttock lifting exercise. Yeah, so this is the operated leg. Take support of the normal leg and lift your buttocks, also taking the support of both your elbows. Lift it up, count 5 and put it down. Again lift it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and put it down gently. This exercise you can start as early as immediately after the anesthesia effect is relieved. That means on the same day of surgery, once the anesthesia effect is gone, you can start doing these exercises. Okay, make sure you wear some kind of belt or brace support for the operated knee or leg. With that support, with that bandage, you can start doing this exercise. So the second exercise is come to normal position, ankle mobilization. Do both the ankles, only up and down. Don't rotate it. Be careful. You should not rotate it, because in rotating you will be moving the hip joint. So the rotation happens at the hip joint. You should not rotate it. You should just do up and down movements of the ankle. Do both the ankles up and down nicely. Nicely. You can bring, go back nicely and come down nicely. That's the complete ankle up and down movement. This one exercise prevents a lot of complications. You have to do this continuously as much as possible after any kind of lower limb surgery, except for obviously ankle and foot surgery. Except for foot and ankle surgery, any other surgery, either hip or knee or leg, you have to do this exercise. Very important to prevent blood clot formation, that is the DVT, and other complications following surgery. Third exercise is Mishu, you know the third exercise? Pressing the knee down. Notice carefully. So fold some towel, put it under the knee and try to press the knee down. Press it down and count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave it. Relax. Press it again. You see the tightness of the quadriceps muscle in the front of the thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again, this is very, very, very important after all kind of knee and leg surgeries, because this muscle quadriceps is most important for walking, and this becomes weak very fast. So the fourth exercise is lifting the leg up straight. Straight leg rise, this is called. Straight leg rise. Gently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently put it down. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently put it down. In some kind of hip surgeries, you may not be able to do this immediately, but in all knee and leg surgeries, you have to do this exercise. So this is the fourth exercise we have completed. Now we are coming for the fifth exercise. You have to do the same straight leg rise in side position. Turn to side and start doing. Someone should be supporting the pelvis here. Lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently put it down. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently put it down. Okay, you can take some supports. You can keep some pillow here for extra support. So this is the fifth exercise we have completed. Now we are going for the sixth exercise. Same straight leg rise in prone position. Turn around. Turn completely prone. Very careful here, because many people tend to bend the knee. You should not bend the knee. You should lift it up straight. Show me. Straight leg rise in prone position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently put it down. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently put it down. Okay. This exercise is very important. It may be a little painful. If comfortable, you can do this. But for all arthroscopy cases, ACL ligament surgeries, we have to do this. And the next exercise is going to be the upper back exercise. Upper back exercise. Do the upper back exercise. Put your hands at the side of the trunk and lift your head, neck and shoulders up. Try to look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently go down. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently go down. Again. You can also lift both the legs together up if possible, simultaneously along with this. So this also forms a part of the back strengthening exercise. Very useful exercise. Okay. Now coming to the last exercise, which is specially useful in correcting the bent position of the knee joint. So this exercise helps you to straighten the bend which often happens after knee surgery, especially arthroscopies and knee replacements. The knee tends to remain in a position of bent like this. You have to stretch it out nicely and straighten it like that by coming to the edge of the couch. Sit crossly, your head should be on that corner. Yeah. So come to the edge of the couch like this. Take some support here under the thigh, and with the help of the support, press the knee down, bend it gently, bend the knee gently, lift the knee up, yeah, and again press it down straight. So this bend has to be corrected by pressing the knee into straight position. So this is basically straightening the knee after any kind of knee surgery. These are all the exercises to be done. Thank you.